the OneBlade from Philips. This is a very nice razor. Comes in this very compact body, lightweight, practical, and it has an ejectable blade system. So when you slide here, there is a slider, it comes off, the head comes off, and you can replace it. You can just buy one from the shop. The cost is 25 each set of two, and they are supposed to last for like 6 months or so. Now, the body is obviously rechargeable. You have the battery inside, which does like 1 hour on one charge. Press here to activate, and here you have the indicator, and now it's like fully charged, so it sets you 3 bars, and it goes down to 1 bar, and then it's discharged. The cut from this razor is very sharp. You get this like smooth bird, almost like a normal razor, you know, almost like one of these old school non-electrical razor. So, well, it's all good on paper. Let's give it a try. So, see here, we are getting a very, very sharp cut. It looks like I'm cutting to a very sharp blade, and the result is really good. So this is the side I'm cutting right now, and I will cut half myself so you can see the difference. Also very, very fast. I mean, this is a very fast blade. I've already done it here. I mean, just one time is enough. Face shaved, half face unshaved. In a matter of minutes, I've been able to shave off my beard, and the results are really, really nice. In addition, we got the charger here to charge the device, and we have the trimmer here. So with this one, it's quite easy to mount. You just mount it from here to here. Now with this one, you can cut if you want to keep like a long bird or something. Very practical. I don't use it, I just cut directly the bird off to get really this smooth look. Easy to attach and detach. This one I bought does not come with the travel kit, but there are versions with the travel kit. I have one with the travel kit. They give you like a box to hold it when you travel. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this small review of this very nice blade from Philips. If you get one of them, you won't regret it. Last thing, this blade here changes color when it's time to change it. So keep an eye here. When it comes to cleaning the razor, it's as simple as that, because the razor is waterproof. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.